In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Depop. If you're looking to streamline your payment process on Depop, linking your PayPal account is ultimately essential. With this setup, you can seamlessly receive payments from buyers directly into your PayPal account. So let's dive in and walk through each necessary step to accomplish this. To begin, you'll need to open the Depop app on your mobile device. It's important to note that this process cannot be done through the Depop website, so make sure you have the app installed on your phone or tablet. Once you have the app open, go ahead and log into your Depop account. This will take you to the home screen where you can see your profile and other features of the app. Next, you'll want to navigate to the settings in Depop. To do this, tap your profile icon, which you'll find in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on your profile icon, the next step is to locate the gear icon situated in the top right corner. Tap this icon to enter the settings area where you can manage different aspects of your account. Now that you're in the settings, it's time to access your payment settings. In the settings menu, look for the section named Payouts, and within that you should see an option labeled PayPal Account. Tap this option to proceed with connecting your PayPal account. This tab specifically deals with how you'll receive payments on Depop. With the payment settings accessed, the fourth step is to link your PayPal account. You'll find a button that says Connect PayPal. Tap on it and you will be redirected to PayPal's login page. Here, you'll need to log in with your PayPal email and password. Be sure to have this information handy. Once logged in, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts to authorize Depop to connect with your PayPal account. This is a crucial step as it allows Depop to make transactions through your PayPal. Finally, you should receive confirmation that your PayPal account has been successfully linked. Back in the payments section of your Depop settings, you should now see your PayPal email listed. This confirmation indicates that all steps have been completed successfully. Moving forward, any payments from your Depop sales will be directed to this linked PayPal account, making the payment process much more convenient. And that's it. You've now successfully connected your PayPal account to your Depop profile. Remember, having this set up not only simplifies your transaction process, but also offers an added layer of security for both you and your buyers. Thank you for joining me, and happy selling on Depop.